When we set the two middle panels, we were going to be covering them with that 5.5 inch wide minor beam. The panel we're getting ready to set next goes against the outside wall. Now around the perimeter we have basically a beam that's about 2/3 to 3/4 the same size as this wide middle beam. So the trim details that we use when we hit this big beam will be the same trim details we're going to use over here at the wall. What all that means is I've been using a 2-inch spacer to space our panel sections off of this big beam. I need to use the same 2-inch spacer here at the wall to space off of that. So I'm going to go ahead and mark this first, make a mark here, and then finally mark 2 inches back there. I'm standing right below one of the minor beams. Now the minor beam is actually just a piece of 1x6 that has a panel mold detail added to it, and then some other piece of panel mold fit on either side of it. But before I can put this piece in, I'm going to put a 2-inch strip that runs right along through here, and the minor beams actually go in between that strip. Because we've got a 3/4 inch frame with a piece of 1/4 inch plywood above it, I need to fill in this space so I have something to nail to. I've just taken some 2x4 and ripped it to 1 inch thick, and what we'll do is just glue a series of these to fill that in all the way around the perimeter, and then we'll be ready to put that 2-inch strip that's going to run through here. I'm going to use a little bit of glue on top of them just in case we don't have much to nail to. I just put the first one of the minor beams for this run in place. Now the next step, we'll go ahead and put the other minor beam right there in place, and then we take this molding, this profile, and we will just make a rectangle of it all the way around inside the minor beams. It's going to fit right like this, and that'll tie the whole thing together.